In this video, it's a very short video. I'll show you how you can add toggling to your TriggerBot. So to do this, let's start off with importing threading. This will allow us to put a cooldown on the toggle button. So like if you hold the button, or if you like press the button for a short amount of time, it's not like switching on and off because the while loop runs pretty fast. So, and then we have to define two new variables, which one is going to be TriggerBot equals false. So this will be if the TriggerBot is on or off. Then TriggerBot toggle, which will be the cooldown. And this is going to be a list. So we can put it into a function called cooldown, which we'll make right now. So we're about to. This will go through a function which will make it so you can only toggle it on and off like every 0.2 seconds or something. Def cooldown. This is going to take in the amount of time and the variable. So okay, so it's like time dot sleep wait, and then we're gonna set the cooldown bool to true. Okay, so now to the actual toggling part. So this is gonna run in the while loop after you do all your detections. So it's if keyboard is pressed is pressed. This checks if the key is pressed. You can make this any key you want. I'm gonna have it as this for now. Just like the thing under tilde, or that is tilde. I don't know actually. If TriggerBot underscore toggle. So if it's true. So this means if we're able to send input. So if you're able to toggle it, because there's a toggle cooldown, right? So if there's currently no toggle cooldown, then TriggerBot will equal not TriggerBot, meaning it'll be the opposite of what it currently is. And then we'll print it. Print TriggerBot. So we'll print the current state at which it's in. And then TriggerBot toggle will equal false. And now this is where we thread the cooldown. Now we're gonna thread it. So thread equals threading dot thread target equals cooldown, which is the function, and we're gonna pass two arguments. Which will be TriggerBot cooldown or TriggerBot toggle, and we're gonna have a wait time of 0.2 seconds. You have to put a last thing at the end. And we're gonna do thread dot start, which will start the thread. This should be everything for your toggle. You need to put a comma here. Just make sure you put the comma here so it unpacks properly. I don't know how it works, but if you don't have this here, it's not going to work. I have an error. True. Oh, I forgot to put a colon. I'm going to run it. Now if I press the tilde key, it turns my TriggerBot on, and if I press the tilde key, it turns it off. I don't really need to show an example of Valorant because, oh wait. So you need to put trigger bot equals true here. So this just makes sure, so if the trigger bot is on, and then the rest of the conditions, then you can shoot. So it's pretty straightforward. That's basically all the trigger bot. I don't need to show an in-game demonstration because this is pretty straightforward. You know how it works. And that's all. Next video, I will show you how to set up your Arduino, which will be a different section in the course. The Arduino setup is pretty fast, so see ya.